OG Parker. And if the beat live, you know Lil Ju made it. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my...
Do a well, not really an unboxing because I've already unboxed everything, but I just want to tell y'all about what I got from Gucci and what I am doing with it. So this is what I ordered from Gucci. It was called the, wait a minute, let me see what it's called. Ophidia pouch. Even though it says pouch ophidia, but that's how it is on the website. It's ophidia pouch. I showed y'all the box yesterday. This is the inside. This pouch is just a regular pouch. It has no straps, no nothing. But I wanted this. It was $700. So with tax and everything, it was like $7. I don't know. I'll let y'all know. I don't remember. But so I wanted the purse that was like this, but the purse like this was $2,100, and I still want to do that. So I bought this insert off of Amazon. So you just and I just got on Amazon and I got this bag insert off of Amazon. It was too damn much. It was $25, but it is the perfect size. It has, you know, the clip so that I could clip the straps in. So all you do is open it up, stick the insert in. If I don't quit dropping my bag. Okay, put the insert in, and that's what it looks like when the insert is in. So I actually ordered a chain strap because the bag had a chain on it, but I got the wrong color. I got like a bronze copper gold instead of just a regular gold, so it's not the same color. So that don't work. I gotta get another one. So instead, I do have this brown strap. It's not completely the same color, but just for the purpose of this video, it is going to be. So I take it in and I get the clip and I just clip it on. So there's one. And then I do the same on the other side. Get it, clip it, and it isn't in there. Now my pouch has straps on it, and all I do is just gonna zip it back up, and look at there. My $700 purse now has straps, and now it can be worn as a purse or a crossbody. Now, I did not think of this on my own, not necessarily. I got a Burberry bag and I did the same thing with that, but I didn't have an insert. It already had hooks on it. I got this idea from a girl on YouTube. They were talking about, you know, making Louis Vuitton cosmetic pouches into, you know, bags. And I'm like, man, that's a smart idea. And like I said, this saved me so much money. It is literally about the same size as the one that was $2,100. And I mean, I don't have a problem with the brown strap right now, but I do want to get the gold chain to go with it. So like I said, just wanted to show y'all what I got off of Gucci and how I am saving myself heck of money. That's the front, that's the back of the bag. Put it on.